FundedNext versus FundingPips review. Which prop firm is actually worth your time? Let's break it down. First up, FundedNext. They're offering up to 90% profit split, and get this, you can earn up to 15% during the evaluation. Yep, before you're even funded. But FundingPips, it's all about speed and simplicity. One page challenge, up to 80% profit split, and the way less waiting around. If you like trading news or holding trades over the weekend, FundedNext gives you that flexibility on the certain models. On the flip side, FundingPips keeps it clean, no daily drawdown, just 10% overall. And that's it. Fewer rules, less stress. Pick FundedNext if you want bigger rewards and more trading freedom. But if you want fast funding, simple rules, and to just get going, FundingPips might be your perfect match. Either way, the firm gives you the capital, but it's your skill that secures the bag. And that's it.